You're the rose in a garden, and it shows.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Olivia here with Olivia's Romantic Home, and in today's video I cannot wait to share with you 6 DIY Dollar Tree Easter and Spring decor crafts. We're going to create a beautiful tablescape using Dollar Tree items. I love to share with you all how to get your home boutique gorgeous on a budget. I want to share with you all how you can set a gorgeous, elegant tablescape using Dollar Tree items on a teeny tiny budget. We are going to create this beautiful floral. I did cheat though and go to the Target Bullseye Playground and get a couple of very cute little bunnies. You guys can also use what you have on hand. So without further ado, you guys plug in those glue guns and let's get to crafting. In today's video, I want to share with you how to create this beautiful, elegant tablescape with several Dollar Tree DIYs. We are going to create this tablescape on a teeny tiny budget using items from the Dollar Tree. For the first Dollar Tree DIY, you're going to take one of those napkin rings. They come 6 to a pack at Dollar Tree and they're silver. And you're going to take one of those Dollar Tree carrots and just hot glue it to the front of the napkin ring. Add a big dab of hot glue and then just hold it on for a couple of seconds, and voila, you have a beautiful customized napkin ring. The carrots do come 4 to a pack, so if you wanted to do 6 of those, you'll need to pick up 2 packs. Now I'm just going to take my napkin and I'm going to fold it into a triangle. These are some linen napkins that my daughter and I found at the thrift store for 15 cents each. Such a bargain. You're going to pull it through pull the napkin ring with the napkin through it, and then add it to your beautiful tablescape. Now I used a silver Dollar Tree charger, a white dinner plate, and then a square white dinner plate. For the next Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to create a beautiful blooming floral. Now I have this big long planter box that I found at the thrift store for $3, but if you don't have a planter box, you can take several Dollar Tree gift boxes. I had painted these gold and then added these white frames to the front. I also found those at Dollar Tree, and I do have a link to the tutorial down below. I'm going to use 2 bundles of hyacinths, 2 bundles of hydrangeas. These are both in kind of the white cream color, 3 bundles of ferns, and all of my florals I found at the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has some really beautiful florals if you choose the right color combination. I'm also using 3 bundles of lilacs, 1 of these amaryllis, and this is kind of the pinkish whitish color. And then I'm also going to use 2 little bundles here of the wisteria. That was also in the white cream color. I'm using 2 bags of floral moss to complete this. I also took one of those Dollar Tree candlesticks in a white plate and E6000 that to the top. I made 2 of those stands, and I'm using 2 of the Target Dollar Spot bunnies. I'm also going in with my Mrs. Meyer's wood cleaner to clean out this box really well. Now I'm taking those little cake candle stands and I'm going to put them in the center of this arrangement because I want to create height for my bunnies to be kind of nestled down into the arrangement. For this arrangement, I'm also gluing in some styrofoam blocks. I used 3 styrofoam blocks and I just cut them in half. And now I'm adding the wisteria to the center part. Now this is the tallest part of the arrangement, so I added both of these to the center. And then I'm adding in some of those Dollar Tree ferns. This I'm just adding in a bundle, but you can also piece them apart if you like. Now I'm adding in some of the taller white hyacinths, and those are kind of going to come out and be poked to the side just a little bit. So I cut 2 off of the stem, and now I'm leaving 3 on the stem and having them come up larger in the back of the fern. Now I'm adding in some lilacs. So really what I want this to look like is a really beautiful blooming garden that these bunnies are playing in. So just continue to add in some lilacs, and you can piece these apart with some wire cutters fairly easily. And now I'm adding in my beautiful pink trailing flower. I love these. I think these are very high end for Dollar Tree. Great job this year. I'm also filling it out with some beautiful hydrangeas. I'm piecing apart a fern to kind of make that loop out and over. And then don't forget about the back of your arrangement. So you're going to come into the back with some ferns and also some of those beautiful white hydrangeas. The hydrangeas are really nice because they're a fuller flower, so they'll fill out your arrangement very nicely. It's going to give texture and dimension to this arrangement as well. So we're creating even more visual interest by coming in and along the back and in and around the front. So this doesn't have to be perfect. You guys play with this, make it feel like this is a spring garden blooming. And if you look at my garden, I always like to plant kind of an English garden where it's a little bit wild and a little bit colorful and just kind of fun. I hope that makes sense. So I'm coming in with some more of the taller flowers and then also poking in a little bit of those ferns. Again, continue to play with your arrangement. Once I have my arrangement where I want it, I want to go in with some of that moss. So you all can use the green Dollar Tree moss. You could use Excelsior grass. My Dollar Tree had some of the brown moss on hand, so that's what I'm using. I think it looks really nice and very springtime garden friendly. I'm also adding some moss to the top where I have those cute little bunnies, and I think this is coming out so gorgeous, so perfect. It looks like something you could almost use too for a bridal table. I did try to keep some of the arrangement a little bit low, but it did get very high. Who knows, I may decide to move it, but I think it's really beautiful. And honestly, it made me want to have just a surprise Easter dinner. The next Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to create some beautiful little egg picks with some of those Dollar Tree speckled eggs. So the speckled eggs come with a hole in the bottom. You can take a shish kebab stick and just add a dab of hot glue and then poke your shish kebab stick in, and instantly that creates an egg pick. And you're going to pay several dollars for egg picks at Hobby Lobby or Michael's, and with these you guys are getting quite a few picks for only $1. I love this. They are great to use in floral arrangements, pretty much anything your heart desires for Easter. They fit perfectly into this beautiful arrangement. I only put a couple into this arrangement because I didn't want to take away from the bloomy garden, but I did feel like to make it very Easter and springy, we did have to have a couple of speckled eggs. Now for the next Dollar Tree DIY, I'm taking one of their LED candles, and I had this Dollar Tree black and white contact paper actually left over from Halloween. Believe it or not, I've saved it for that long. So I'm just fitting it to kind of make a sleeve around the candle. I did notice on Pottery Barn website that they're using a ton of black and white even in their Easter decor. So I really wanted to incorporate a little bit of that into my tablescape or into some of my French farmhouse displays that are in my dining room. So now I'm just taking that contact paper, I peeled the label off of the back, and it sticks really nicely directly onto one of the Dollar Tree LED candles. Now this is not a real candle. Definitely do not use a real candle for this. Use an LED candle. And then I decided to add just something a little extra touch. You all know me, I love to go extra, and I added some Dollar Tree jute twine. And then I had a beautiful customized candle. I feel like this looks really high end, and it goes perfectly with a lot of the French farmhouse decor and DIYs that I've been sharing with you all. Again, I'll link a bunch of those down below if you all need some inspiration. These are Dollar Tree baskets that you're seeing. I was so excited to create these. I know a lot of you all have seen them and are making them. So thank you all for all of the inspiration and sharing your pictures on Facebook and Instagram. You all are amazing crafters. I'm super loving it, and it's just a huge blessing to me. So here we go. Cute little candle, teeny tiny budget. For the next Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with you how to create an egg napkin ring. So you're going to take one of those little Dollar Tree foam eggs, add some hot glue to the front of it, and then take some of that Dollar Tree, I call this baby's breath, I think it's technically called gypso, and you're just going to hot glue on either side of your little egg. I'm using this because I could not find my other carrot, and I only bought one pack of those Dollar Tree carrots. So I'm going to have to mix and match my napkin rings. Now this drives me a little bit crazy because I'm trying to do a matchy tablescape, but in the end I was really pleased with it. I thought they came out really adorable, and it's just another great little DIY if you want to do something different besides just the carrot, or maybe you couldn't find the carrots. You can usually almost always find the little eggs. So here it is close up. Add that dab of hot glue, the cute little egg, your gypso, and you have a beautiful, gorgeous, customized table napkin ring, and it is really next to nothing because I think there's six to 10 foam eggs that come in that. So for $2, $3, you guys have some beautiful napkin rings. So here are our adorable little egg napkin rings. I used the little orange ones, that way they kind of coordinated in with the carrot napkin rings. But this is a great idea if you guys end up having some mismatched napkin rings, but then still want to do something customized and adorable. I also used some of those Target Bullseye Playground bunnies. They're the terracotta ones. I think they look really beautiful, and they kind of mix in with a little bit of those oranges that I used in the Tablescape. I think this is absolutely adorable, very elegant, and very budget friendly. For the next Dollar Tree DIY, you're going to take one of those Peeps headbands, and you're just going to trim off the little peep on the top. You're going to hot glue it to a napkin ring, and then you have this really adorable customized napkin ring for your kids' Easter brunch table. You could also do this for a whimsical adult table as well. Now we're setting a Dollar Tree tablescape, so I used a white tablecloth. We used these white Dollar Tree placemats, the silver Dollar Tree chargers, white dinnerware with the round plate, and then I just took that square plate and turned it sideways, and I added in this beautiful floral, my sweet little Dollar Tree candle. I think this came out so elegant, so precious. And then the Dollar Tree napkin, so lovely. Oh my goodness, this is just too much. Dollar Tree is also carrying these really adorable little egg candles. I added in some Dollar Tree jelly beans in and around the candle just to really get it festive and add some pops of pastel color to tie in the floral arrangement, and then the greens that are in the table runner, and then the oranges. So that's a great idea too. If you guys want to take and tie all your pastels together, you can do that with your food, whether it be candies or little sandwiches, or even some extra little pops of fresh florals if you wanted to add some fresh florals in and around some of your tablescape. I hope you all are loving this, and I hope you're so inspired just to create something beautiful. I think this is wonderful. Honestly, it made me want to have an impromptu Easter brunch. It was so festive. Even when Mr. Romantic came home, he was like, wow, what is this? So my daughter and I had so much fun planning this, creating this. It's been a huge blessing to have her home this week on spring break. I will definitely miss her when she goes back. Thank you. I hope you all are inspired and having just the best time ever with me. You all are such a blessing. Thank you all so much for joining me in this crafting and decorating adventure. I love you all so much. This is such a wonderful, amazing group and community of ladies and gents who really love to decorate and just make their homes gorgeous. I'm constantly decorating, I'm constantly crafting, so if you guys like those kind of videos, give this video a thumbs up. Also, click that subscribe button. It's totally free, and I would love to have you guys join me on this crafting, decorating, just fun homemaking adventure. Also, there's a little bell next to your subscribe button. If you click that, that will notify you every time I upload a new video. So thank you all so much. I cannot wait for the next video. I cannot wait to chat with you guys, have coffee with you guys. I love you so much, and we will talk to the next video. Bye-bye.
I've come out here to say